Hello everyone! Today I'll be showing you what to do to fix your Biver that's not working in your iPhone. So I'm currently here on my iPhone and I'll be opening my settings now, and then what you do is you find and click general over here, and then next you'll find your phone storage, and then now let's wait for a bit. What we have to do now is to scroll down until you find your beloved Biver app. So yeah, I'm just gonna set this to the size so that it's much easier and much organized to find where we want to find our Biber app. So it doesn't seem to be showing just yet. So I'm gonna show all and just keep scrolling until we find Biber. Should be at the V part. Oh, there we go. So Biber's over here, and then after you find it, you clicked it, and then now you have several options. But what you have to do is that you find and click offload app, and then you're going to have to reinstall the app for it to work. So now that most definitely solves the Bible issues most of the time. So that's it. Thank you for watching and have a great day.